I want to go through numerical problems of motion. And for this, we have to prepare ourselves for certain points. Number one, we have to remember all 5 equations which I have written here to solve the numerical problem. What are they? Number one, a equal to v minus u by t, v equal to u plus at, s equal to u plus v by 2 into t, s equal to ut plus half at square, and number 5, v square equal to u square plus 2as. After this much understanding, I mean to say, we have to remember this. We must not be confused with any equation. Everything should be in our memory. These all 5 equations. Now after this, have you noticed this? There are 5 symbols used in these equations. What are they? S, U, V, A, T. You remember this as Subhat, or you can remember this way also, Utsav, U-T-S-A-V, Utsav. And the meaning of the symbol you must remember: S, distance, U, initial velocity, V, final velocity, A, acceleration, T, time taken. And it will be better to have this unit also. Distance is measured in meter, and initial velocity is measured in meter per second. Final velocity, same thing, meter per second. And acceleration, A, is measured in meter per second square, and time is measured in second. These are SI units. We are using SI unit in solving these numerical problems. And after this much understanding, now we can start to solve the numerical problem. But I'll tell you how to select the particular equation to solve the particular numerical problem. I made many numerical problems. I want to show this first. Look at this numerical problem. Question number 1, 2. Here we have 12. Yeah, after this, look at this. A lot of numerical problem. Question number 13 to, look at this, 25. Not only this much, here I have, look at this, 26 to this 33. And more than this, 34 to 43. I made all these for a student to practice the numerical problem, but we are not doing all this. We'll select few equations, few numerical problems, and we'll solve them. I want to show you the method of selection of particular equation to solve the particular numerical problem. Let's start. Look at this. This is question number 1. Look at it. A body moving with 72 km per hour. If a body is moving with a certain velocity, then this is initial velocity. Symbol is U. U is given. This way we have to understand. U is given. It is stopped. Stopped means what? Lastly, it comes to rest. It means final velocity becomes 0. V is 0. Here U is given. V is not given, not seems to be given, but it is written here. Finally it stops, means V is 0. And distance is given. S is how much? 25 meter. After covering 25 meter distance, it is going to stop. That's why UVS is given. Now question is, find the retardation. Retardation means acceleration. Negative acceleration is called retardation. Acceleration is asked in this numerical problem, and time required to stop it. Time is also asked. Look at all 5 symbols are involved. Now you have to go through these symbols. U, V, S are given. A is asked. T will talk later because first question is A. U, V, S, A. Now select an equation which contains U, V, S and A. In equation 1, S is missing. In equation 2, also it is missing. Now in 3, there is UVSA. UVSA is missing. Here UV is missing. And here UVSA. All 4 which we have made here, I mean to say which we have to use here, all 4 are present in 5th equation. It means to solve this equation, we are using, I mean to say, so to solve this numerical problem, we are using this equation. So now how can we start? We can start this way. A body is moving with 72 kilometer per hour. Initial velocity. If you want, you can write in words also, but I am not writing here words. U is given. U is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Now we are using SI system, and in SI system we must have meter per second. The velocity must be in meter per second. So I want to convert it into meter per second. 72 kilometer can be converted into meter by multiplying it with 1000, because 1 kilometer contains 1000 meter. And in denominator we have hour, and nothing is there. It means 1 hour. 1, if multiplied with 60, then it comes in minute, and if multiplied with again 60, then it comes in second. Now we can write meter per second in place of what? Kilometer per hour. Now 0 and this 0, two zeros are cancelled here. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. It means lastly only 2 and this 0, I mean to say 2 and 10 is left. This is equal to 20 meter per second. It means 72 kilometer per hour is equal to 20 meter per second. Now I want to go through second symbol, V. How much it is? V is given. This is 0 because finally it is stopped, is told. Now we don't have to write unit with 0. 0 multiplied by the unit becomes 0. Now after this, S is given. What is S? How much is S? 25 meter. It is given here 25 meter. Okay. Find the retardation and time required. Retardation means acceleration, how much, and time required is equal to how much. Now we don't have to see this numerical. Everything is converted into mathematical form. Now let's go through this numerical. Now we are using this equation previously selected. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. And here B is equal to 0. That's why 0 square equal to U is 20. 20 square. We are not using units in the process. We are writing units at first in the given and at last in the answer. It's not necessary to write the units in the process. Okay, plus 2 remains 2. A remains A because we are going to calculate A first. And S is 25. Now look at this, or 0 square 0 is equal to 20 square means 20 into 20. It becomes 400 plus 25 twos are 50. Now 50A. Now I'm going to this way. Okay, after this, if 400 is taken to left hand side, it becomes negative. Minus 400 is equal to 50A, or this minus 400 is 50 is taken to left hand side, then it goes in denominator. This is equal to A. 0 0 cancel, 5 8s are 40. Therefore A is equal to minus 8 meter per second square. I am writing unit now. At this time you can write one sentence for this. Therefore the retardation is 8 meter per second square. Why I am not writing minus? Retardation itself is negative. That's why I am not writing minus. If we are writing acceleration, then we'll write acceleration is minus 8 meter per second square. But retardation is 8 meter per second square. Now still we have to find out this t. Now you can write again. Now which equation now we are going to use to calculate t? Any one of these can be used, but there must be t in the equation. If 4 physical quantities are known, then 5th physical quantity can be calculated by using any one of these equations, but that 5th physical quantity should be present in this equation. First one is easier, and that's why A equal to V minus U by T. Here we have T, that's why I'm using this. T is equal to V minus U by A. Now we can write the value. T is equal to V is 0. U is how much? U it is given here. U is 20. u is 20. Acceleration is how much? Just now it is calculated. How much? Acceleration is minus 8. Acceleration is minus 8. Now here we are going this side, or t is equal to minus 20 upon minus 8. Minus minus cancel. 8 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Therefore t is equal to, if 5 is divided with 2, we'll have 2.5 seconds. Therefore required time is 2.5 seconds. Okay, this way we can select the particular equation to solve the particular numerical problem, and we can use those equations. This way we can solve the numerical problem. If you have benefited by this type of instruction, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and as far as possible share it to your friends. Okay, this much for today.